Are you ready to turn your crypto into cash? Today, we're walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to sell your crypto on Uphold. It's fast, it's easy, and you'll have your funds where you need them in no time. First, log into your Uphold account. From the home screen, you'll see the Transact button. This is your command center for all things buying, selling, and moving assets. Tap on it. A new screen will pop up. You'll see from and to. This is Uphold's anything-to-anything philosophy in action. In the From field, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Maybe it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP. Just find the one you want to convert to cash. Now, for the To field. This is where you choose your destination. You're selling your crypto, so you want to send the funds to your linked bank account or debit card. Select your preferred withdrawal method from the list. Next, enter the amount you want to sell. You can type in a specific amount of crypto, or you can use the fiat currency amount to see how much you'll get. A great feature here is the Preview Trade button. Always tap this before you confirm. It will show you the exact amount you're selling, the amount you're receiving, and any applicable fees. Review everything carefully. Once you're sure about the details, hit Confirm. Uphold will process the transaction instantly. The crypto will be sold, and the funds will be on their way to your bank account or debit card. And that's it. You've successfully sold your crypto on Uphold and withdrawn the funds. The processing time can vary depending on your bank, but Uphold is known for fast and efficient transactions. Thanks for tuning in. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick and easy crypto tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.